Hello everyone, and thank you for joining today's session on cross-border litigation, 5 key issues explored. I'm Charlotte Hill, a partner in the Commercial Dispute Resolution team at Pennington's Manchester Cooper, which is an international full-service law firm. I advise on a broad range of cross-border disputes across a number of commercial and business sectors. With specialist expertise in fintech, emerging tech, and digital asset disputes, I lead the firm's digital assets and cybersecurity team. During this webinar today, we'll look at some of the major developments that are shaping cross-border disputes across jurisdiction, evidence, enforcement, sanctions, and emerging risks in data and AI. So, let me begin to set the scene by explaining why these topics are so important. First, there has been regulatory acceleration. We're seeing fast-moving changes in sanctions, privacy, AI, regulation, cross-border enforcement rules, and international civil procedure. Second, there has been a clear rise in multi-jurisdictional disputes of late. Very few disputes today are truly domestic. Assets, data, witnesses, and counterparties are all spread across borders. Third, there's technological complexity. AI systems, cloud-hosted data sets, and digital supply chains mean that evidence is fragmented and is often governed by different laws simultaneously. And finally, there is a lot of market volatility and geopolitical changes afoot. New sanctions packages, supply chain disruptions, and the post-Brexit legal environment all create fertile ground for cross-border litigation. These pressures together mean that our clients face higher levels of litigation risk than ever before. So, what will we cover today? We're going to explore 5 key themes. First, we're going to cover jurisdiction and forum selection. Second, disclosure and evidence challenges that we might face. Third, enforcement of judgments and awards. Fourth, sanctions and their impact on cross-border payments and contracts. And lastly, we're going to cover emerging risks, including data, AI, and supply chain disputes. Importantly, I'm going to try and provide some practical solutions for each of these 5 topics as well. So, jurisdiction and forum selection. Jurisdiction is almost always the first major battleground in cross-border litigation. Your choice of forum will influence your disclosure rights, the available remedies to you, the procedural speed in which you can act, the appeal routes available, and ultimately the enforceability of any judgment or award. It is crucial, therefore, that consideration is given to which jurisdiction litigation is pursued in.